Welcome back to our channel How to Guide, where we post guide videos. Today I'll teach you guys how you guys can see who has viewed your TikTok videos. So if somebody has liked your video, then you can basically know that they have seen your video. So through that method we can find out who has viewed our TikTok video. So let me show you the method if you guys are confused. And before I show you the steps on how to do that, if you guys are new to our channel, How to Guide, then hit the subscribe to our channel with notification on and let's move on. First step, what you want to do is after you open TikTok, you want to click on the profile option at the bottom right. And over here, the first video, my first video has 55 views. So if I click on it, then as you guys can see over here, right at the side, you can see the profile of all the people who has liked this video. So if you watch all of your other video as well, it's going to show you all the people who have liked your video. So as you guys can see, the amount of people that have liked my post has been shown over here at the side. So this is the only way you guys can see who has watched your video, because this video has 55 views, but I cannot see who are those 55 people. Only the people who has interacted with this video, like if they saved the video or if they liked the video or if they commented in the video. If they interacted with this video in any way, then only I can know who are those people. Otherwise I can't. I can click on 55 views. As you guys can see, nothing can be shown over here, nothing, as you guys can see, but only the people who has liked my post, I can see them. I can even click on one of their photo and it'll bring me to their profile. So that's how you guys can see who viewed your TikTok video, because if they commented on your video or if they liked your video or if they shared your video, then basically that means they watched your video, because without watching your video nobody can like them, comment on them or something. But if they interact with your video, then you can find out who those people are, otherwise you can't. So this is the only way you guys can see who has viewed your TikTok video. If you guys found our video helpful, hit the subscribe to our channel How to Guide. I'll see you guys next time.